in high heights, when music meets herbs, no need for words. Soothing vibration opens one body and mind, inflicting a healing sensation, positive and exciting. Ivybz TV presents Kyanabis Kahna. Yeah, was brought to you by FAIMHUB. You know the chips, you know the style. Freedom, artists in motion. Na 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 na. Love my roots, queen. Na 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 na. Love my daughter. Oh yeah. Seek and you shall find. Love, I love, I love, I love, I love. I love my roots, daughter. I love, I love, I love, I love, I love. I love my roots, empress. Yes. Love, I love, I love, I love, I love. I love my roots, daughter. I love, I love, I love, I love, I love. I love my roots, empress. Yes. And as I seek and you find the one of a kind, African you're so fine. With you I will dine. The two of us together shall bring forth a good child. Royalty divine, perfect love. My heart is real. Royalty woman, you are the queen for me. Giving thanks for your loving and blessing. Cultural woman, you bring my healing. Love, I love, I love, I love, I love. I love my roots, daughter. I love, I love, I love, I love, I love. I love my roots, empress. Yes. Love, I love, I love, I love, I love. Love my roots, daughter. I love, I love, I love, I love my roots, empress. Roots, daughter.
How much time you can love one song? How much time you allowed to love one song? Because I don't think I can count to that time and I can love the song. Yeah. If you love it one more time.
Where's it? I feel true that.
Oh Lord, that's like a nice enough. It's nice and mellow.
Yeah, man, it's a mellow. You know them say, you ever hear them that say, yo, look up at the top of the tree if you see a mellow mango.
Mellow mango, yeah man. Nice, you know, nice, sipping a nice little cup of mint tea and a St. Breeze, they were early man.
You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, them East Indian style, you know?
I know the homesick Jamaican, you know? The homesick Jamaican,
hey, well, me homesick every time me left my
yard. Me think about fast food at Jamaica. We don't think about KFC at them sitting there. We think about mango and sweets upon them sitting there.
Yeah, well, you know, I the natural thing. So we not have access to them something. We have access to the natural things. Soursop and Neesberry and cherry.
Yeah, we not too like a Neesberry.
Well,
not to get old. When I get, I'm old in days. When I'm younger days,
no, me a man to climb my Neesberry tree and go up there, go sit down, and just eat.
That's why I not eat. That's why I not eat. I think we eat too much.
No, me can't do that. Neesberry, People, when I go looking at Who Dem A Pray, the song named Who Dem A Pray, Tafari Watkins. If you know so a big Neesberry tree back.
And the tree they don't rake up. And the tree they don't rake up.
Yeah.
Another tree they don't rake.
Yeah.
A chop out.
Exactly. So
Neesberry tree, they're not easy to climb, brother.
That's for sure how much you love Neesberry. But yeah, man, Ivybz TV brought to you by FAIMHUB. This is your host, Tafari and Najee.
Yeah, you know? Man, we come on time, so joining us another edition.
Another edition, the third edition on Kyanabis Kahna. Well, this week we are talking about woman and man in a combination. That's all?
Yeah, man. The basic music in a reggae and dancehall style.
Yeah. So
but you know, say it did kind of like tough finding some tunes still. That should be. Can I tough to find some true?
Well, it depends. It depends on the vibration where you search for still, So
Exactly. And then even have to tell you what kind of vibration we search from. There's not find combination, I find a lot of combination.
I only for combination.
But my quality, not to my.
Not to your kind of taste.
No, not to my taste.
Yeah, them probably have too much sugar and water and no lime, no,
Yeah, too much something. You don't have too much something with food. I don't like when it's too pungent. I like when it tastes subtle.
I hear that.
Anyway, say all right. Anyway, you have some really good combination out there with reggae music, reggae dance. And we want to kick it up. We want all time. Well, an all time. Hear yourself, Najee. One of the timeless classics.
Timeless
Classics. Action. Nadine Sutherland and Terra Fabulous.
Oh, I don't hear the charge of it.
Change it up, man. You didn't expect that, don't you? Yeah, man. I say you tell me your thing.
Action, yeah, man. Nice tune, man. You know them tune there.
How much side a book cover? How much side a book cover have on a book?
How much side a book cover have on a book?
Yeah.
Two side?
Okay, so how much side the book come with?
Two side? Hold on. What side a book cover have on a book? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 side? the outside, the inside, and then the outside. Four side. All right. 4 side.
Find the tune. If you can read between the lines and figure out when me attack right there, so shake up your hand and tell us next time about you.
Tune. Take on about down memory lane now.
Listen and take some lessons. Some people do listen and take some lessons.
Itch it up. Cause she still has a something, so we're going. Where I say?
No, me I say some men need to listen and take some lessons, cause he might give some wise instructions.
Well, I go listen again too. I'll do a whole heap of time listen. I go see if I miss any of the information they give out. See, so Nadine Sutherland and Fabulous, very fabulous. Classic. Action. Check the praise.
You think you are so fine. Stop thinking that my mind. You call me on the phone. And now I want you home. Action. Organic. Action.
Pull up.
You see? Ital, organic. You know your thing, you're not have to go remix. So you know your thing, like you can go straight.
Yeah, man, you know your thing, man, so right. Yeah, this one is, a nice one from back in them time there. When time dancehall did a whole of vibes,
When dancehall did a keep.
When dancehall did a keep, Right now.
A dance web.
Right now, yeah. I really dance web to blood fire. But we still are going the web it's the way, because you don't know. The Wi-Fi, for the Wi-Fi at work, we good enough. You see it? Yeah, man, that's how we are dropping things.
Drop the Wi-Fi.
Well, them say if it's nice, we have to play it twice.
Nice.
Or sometime or 3 times too.
Yeah, man, the Ivybz TV, the vibes are right,
From the top to the very last. Right. I would say this week is going out to woman and man in a combination. See it. See me so.
The balance. When the balance there, they look quite sweet. When the balance there, they look how it's sweet. That's
Yes.
true. When the balance there, they look how it's sweet. I balance you show you know.
Yeah,
You show balance and the balance there, they look how it's sweet.
Cool, no? We're gonna drop it from the top to the very last job because Sutherland and Fabulous and them say
Yes, sir.
action. Action speak louder than word. That's all.
All the time.
Drop it from them. And the balance, check the meds and style. Nadine Sutherland. Terror Fabulous. Action. 90s dancehall. As Najee said, when dancehall did I keep. Remember the morning? Combination.
You think you're so fine. It's not gonna work out. Watch this game. Stop playing that mind. You call me on the phone. You come down. And now I want you home. I got you action. That's what I want.
How would them say?
I need some action, tender satisfaction.
I wanna go worldwide.
Hey.
Oh, it's a long time. I wanna touch out, you know. I come
Hey, that tune is sweet. That tune is sweet. That tune is sweet.
Yeah, man. I went that tune and the touch market. You know what I'm saying?
1992.
1992.
Yeah, it looked like a long before that.
No, it looked like I just 1 year, but you know, say 30 a year, what that?
I saw a long time then, you know.
It mean for a long time. Not 20.
No, but let me tell you, say one timeless classic, man.
Almost 30 years.
This a song, if this a song turn on in a dance, if this a song turn on in a party, same way carry, it's still wake up a crowd.
Timeless.
Yes,
we have to add something to it. We have to add something
yeah.
to the man and woman combination, and it's called timeless. You know, timeless man and woman communication.
And I know he must smoke, you know. Hey.
Listen, it named Kyanabis Kahna, so if we forget that thing, it does not say, you know, the brain kind of slow down. So
you say you puff it before you start.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Right now, nice, you know. I just want to hear the tune them just go and run right. You know, I just want to hear the tune them because I just get out to the next draft.
More tune. All right, we're going to hold on the thought that I had for a second now. We're going to drop our next tune. I make you call that tune because you know she try to test my library and she don't know say me heavy. I only per tune.
Look here, me good on there. Me good on there no. Me good on there no. Me good on there no. All right.
Have in my archives. That I want you to know.
One artist named Cutty Ranks, and Marcia Griffiths, a combination. Nice. Touch it.
Where the two?
Half idiot. I sure say some name half idiot. All right. No, you want to? You want to in?
No, me know the tune.
Oh. You think me I call you half idiot?
No, well, no, you know.
Oh, okay, you know more than, but I wouldn't be so rude.
No, man, we're good, man. We're good, you know. This is Kyanabis Kahna, you know, and I want to know that we are overs and we apologize ourselves, so don't watch our little mind.
Not different heights, right? You know, in a different heights.
Anyway, she said she want Cutty Ranks and Master Griffith in a combination. And a timeless we are defend. So make we hear if a timeless where she at talk.
I bet him come up with something we not fine. Me have something I wait for you. Me say me have something I wait for you. Look more from this, but fine. Give me half idiot.
Remember say we are Ivybz TV, we have everything. I hear go on.
I wonder how much about fun and joke aside. I wonder how much young artists know about Cutty Ranks. Because some of them study their history when they are going in profession.
If them never know, we're not going to know now.
We're going to know. I feel you think that if you never know, we're going to know.
Cutty Ranks, Master Griffiths. I feel that. A joke I know you said. Then I was Caesar.
What Caesar do for me are you?
You got damn thing, but you all about
what?
It's everything.
Caesar need a bomb in him.
Hold on. You have no. It never reached the way that we have to pull it up already.
Hey, Caesar, hey, you better don't make with you. Hey.
What was that name? Timeless.
Timeless. I'm more like you know I open eye. You know so we are going. Eh? You know so we are going. I was drawn into myself.
Classical lady to you know, feel no way. Master Griffiths.
Oh my, hey, I don't feel that.
So they die from time to time.
Like to ask you, leader, what have you
and them are feeding it. Fire burning. Yeah, man, a big tune, man. I want a timeless tune, you know. Cool, no, man.
I want you. Yeah.
If she go on good, you know. I have to get up to her, you know. I light her split for her because, you know what I mean?
I deserve it.
Yeah, man, she go on good, you know. Yeah, so nothing about that.
I need learners for my mission. We are talking about me know my mission, I know my purpose.
I got to say music, we are going to play it some more, you know. We're not done with it yet. We're not even pull it up now.
Let it go.
Now the thing I saw in visions,
Right in front of me,
prostituted,
selling away there. $100.
It's getting hotter and hotter.
Pull it. What she say?
Lightning and thunder in a Babylon belly, night and day.
Hey, I hope it's sweet to not like how it's sweet to you. You over because I the mess.
Holy consciousness, Najee, holy.
Timeless.
Babylon, watch it.
Woman and man in a combination. Timeless. Listen now. This is Ivybz TV, brought to you by FAIMHUB. Once again, your host, Tafari and Najee, in a classical style, saying, we're doing it I and I way because it's our thing. You know what I say? So we're doing it this kind of way.
Freedom artists in motion.
Freedom
of expression lives freely.
Definitely.
Yeah,
the higher vibes.
Network vibes and connect with us and come enjoy the Irie vibes. Don't
and we want
to and subscribe.
Yeah, we want to remind you to say we have the Sing and Win competition still going strong, and participants have a lot of win prizes and giveaways to accumulate. So feel free to come through and check out FAIMHUB.com.
Independent artist Step Cross and come have some Irie vibes. Yeah, man.
True. FAIMHUB.com. Independent artists. Make sure you sign up. Standard EPK. And just kind of browse through the web, browse through the site, and check out Ivybz TV. And
I know that your electronic press kit is very important to your career as a musician, as a singer, as an artist overall. Remember that.
Definitely. Check out the criteria. Make sure you make your submission, and get on board, man. Let's make we keep continuing to develop this environment. See?
Pass on the love to the Irie to another artist like you said.
We want to say big up to Jamak from Jamak and the Soul Shakers. He is one of the Freedom Artists in Motion who has taken the initiative to take it to the next level so far. So there's a few more along with myself saying that so far progressive move I make and things that work. So it just can only get better. So come through, check out the vibration, and make sure we build up this community as in one block at a time. We don't want much. Just one little block, See it? So I push through cause them say I done it, So
just as that, man.
Music for the soul, music for the mind. We do it every time.
Yes, man.
So yes, we unleash anything else upon them, or we are come up in the timeline.
We are step forward a little bit in the timeline. Yeah, go down in 2014, So winner at she named Kelisa featuring Chronics and you have to pronounce the other name. K-A-Z-E-M-D-E and the person upon saxophone. Okay. So yeah, it's winner by Kelisa featuring Chronics and that person upon the saxophone.
That person upon it.
No disrespect, but I'm not twist up my tongue rasta. No, I'm a Jamaican man. I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, what no? Big respect to the step there. We call them now trendsetters, and the I don't want to say new because all right, we're gonna say new for now. So big respect to the new torch carriers, so to speak. This is just my way of putting it in. So we give thanks for all of the young musician them who
the new warrior them we have step forward. The warriors them competition. The young warriors them because because it have to continue, take out the bonfire upon the candle. Look here, it have to go on.
Yeah.
So it's the young warriors them so them like it just come forward because guess what? Ever itinerary, ever living, and them Babylon, you can't stop with.
Them say Babylon be still,
Yeah, you know what?
Just soldier them there, and we are come full circle every time.
Yeah, man. So, and so that's why we have to promote the young one them as well. So the one have one.
Elisa, Chronics, Grandada. Big up on yourselves, see?
What you call it?
Grandada.
Alright, you know that. You know that. Go pick up my tongue for that one, so you can go on.
Good morning, Mr. Obstacle.
I want to name winner.
How are you doing today? It's a happy day. If it's all my time to be it's a happy day.
Young Warriors. Big up all of your army, just soldier them out there.
Hold on there. You didn't know that tune before? Okay, well, no, you know.
That one are new to the archive, you know going on.
Alright, you know. But that one you gonna go in the classics.
That it in there already.
Alright.
Winner, Kelisa, Chronix, Grandada. Kezamde. Saxophone genius.
Yo, in the higher heights, when music meets herbs, no need for words. Soothing vibration opens one body and mind, inflicting a healing sensation, positive and exciting. Ivybz TV presents Kyanabis Kahna. Yeah, what's brought to you by FAIMHUB. You know the chaps.